Hi, I'm Mark from Trailbuddy. Today I'll take a couple minutes and go over a bolt-on hub assembly. What you get is you get a brand new hub with bearings painted with the cloud silver gray. You'll get the bolts for the sprocket. You get the bolts for the rim. The heavier one that goes just into the cast hub here. So it does not come with the smaller ones. And what this one is good for is higher horsepower engines and off-road. This comes with a bolt-on hub style, so you'll need to purchase this separately depending on the number of teeth that you're looking for. That goes on here similar to the original, but uses fasteners to retain it. Just to make sure that you don't order the wrong one, make sure that you don't get the OEM sprocket. You want to make sure that you get the bolt-on sprocket. The difference is the riveted on tabs. And just another little rule of thumb, the smaller the sprocket that you get, the faster you will go, but the less torque you have. Now, the larger the sprocket you get, the slower you go, but the more bottom end power you'll have. This one is TB188, and you can find this part and others on mytrailbuddy.com. Thanks.